I'm going to show you how to add white outline in Canva. So it's more like a fun hack, or yeah, I'll show you. Just follow along. So let's say I'm gonna upload a photo over here. Let's say this one. So I want to add a white outline to this image, right? So okay, first thing first, let's change the background image since the background page is also white, and which like if we even like put the white outline in this image, it might not show. So let's put it all like black, right? So let's say I wanna put a white outline to this image. All you have to do is go to the elements and type in square or like rectangle. Anything will do. Let's go with rectangle over here. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, there's the word rectangle, and let's simply change the color to white and adjust it like depending on the. So okay, now you can simply put this image over here and put it on top of it, or you can simply duplicate this and put it over here. And okay, previous one, let's do this. Let's delete this one over here, and yeah, now you can simply group it, make a group, and it has turned into a singular image. So this is how you add white outline to your image. It's more like a hack. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.